Hey and howdy everyone, it's Jeannie with Paper Pixie Ink. Today I'm going to do a very quick walkthrough of something that I made. I will be showing the base part of this in a tutorial in my next video. I just need to get it edited, but I wanted to share with you this that I made. So the tutorial will not have this decorative belly band included in it. It will just have the base album, shall we say. This is a really quick and simple. It's relatively small, but houses quite a bit of space for photos. And it's kind of like a waterfall album. So let's take a look. All right, so for this belly band, I just created my own frame and created an insert for it. And then I popped it up on a bunch of scrap pieces of chipboard, and I used some flowers. These are like fabric flowers that I had in my stash from another wedding project that I had worked on. So these are actually from a punch from Stampin' Up, and I just did it in some scrap black cardstock. And then I took, so this is from scrapbook.com, and it's a glitter pen and it's green. So you can see I still have a little bit on me, but it works really well, and it added quite a bit of detail. I don't know if you can really see the glitter to that, but the green glimmer that is there on those leaves I think works perfectly with this. So this just slides off. It's a little bit wider than this, so that once you put photos in, if it gets a little bit thicker, you have a little bit of room to grow and still have the belly band fit. And this, again, is just a frame that I made myself, and I created an insert. So you could do some journaling on the back of it, and you can place a photo on the front. And then I just left the front and back and all of this very plain. You could decorate it. You could say, you know, wedding or, you know, love or something on the front. I left it plain. And then inside, it's just two pull down waterfalls. So they both just pull down like this. So you can put photos on the front here. You have 5 additional ones plus the underside of each, which would give you 6. And then you have this large one here that you could also put a photo on. So this, you could mat like a 5x5 photo on it if you wanted to. And the other side is just exactly the same. So really quick project. It comes together really quickly, especially if you're familiar with making the pull down waterfalls. I like this because I can put them together quickly. I can do them in any color, and I can really do them for any occasion. I keep it really simple. I don't stamp generally the mats. That way, if you want to use them for journaling, you can. But obviously it's entirely up to you depending on what you're making them for. So I just wanted to share that project with you. Again, the tutorial will not have this piece. It's pretty easy to do. I have other videos where I have shown how to make a frame, and it's just a belly band, really. So that will be my next video. I will try and get that posted soon-ish, but I am still kind of working on cleaning up my craft room, getting everything organized so that I can get everything out and start demolishing. Not to mention the fact that I haven't started putting together what feels like a million pieces that are going to go in here. So I may be MIA for a little bit, but I will do my best to get the tutorial for this posted hopefully within the next week. Hopefully. So stay tuned for that. As always, if you guys are interested in seeing more, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. So thanks everyone.